Ah, il veut rien savoir, gros.
Ah, il monte là?
Aide les dons un peu, là. Blague sur la main. Check ça. Ah, il va bien, là. J'ai juste besoin d'assistance.
Attends, je fais qui ça?
Oh my.
Il y a ça.
Qu'est-ce que là?
Ça va peut-être me dire que tiens, ok.
C'est pas
Je pense. Fait que t'es excité pour le rallye, Will?
Ouais, moi, faut que je gaffe tout vite, là. Mon affaire il roule, mais il roule pas bien. En avant, c'est plus tech, hein?
Boum!
Même plus gros, je pense. La meilleure. Il y en a un autre temps, je pense. Ouais. Si tu veux me dropper l'axo juste un peu, ça. Attends. Impact?
Il est dans le vide, là.
C'est... Il y a peut-être des guns dessus, mais tu sais, mon petit regarde-moi. Mon petit comptoir rouge, là. Il y a 2 guns à peinture, mets ça sur le comptoir, puis fais juste lever le couvercle. Mais perds pas les petites pièces de gun à peinture, là, sinon je te pique. C'est clair? Parce que... Ok. Pendant que moi, je lève ça, puis je le tasse un peu. Ah!
Prends ça, on a un set de washer.
On a un set de petites bottes.
On a un set de petites pins.
On a une set de petites crises de bottes, ouais, c'est ça. Pin, bolt, parce que ça me prend les washers, c'est des washers.
On prend les R-pins aussi.
Puis après ça, on a un chest au complet plein de merde, tu sais.
La suspension, c'était
fini.
fini. C'était fini.
Ça va y faire.
Oh! Look at this. Oh!
It's better mileage.
No, this thing's gonna move any second now, baby. Well, we want to move it.
Rolling?
Rolling.
Yeah, cold start.
Do you have a... Can you bring your truck so we can boost it?
Ford against Toyota. Okay,
Yeah.
sure.
We're gonna rely on that for a boost.
Dude, sounds like an old film starting up.
Blow plug.
The feature presentation.
Oh, it just needs.
Good, that's good.
Là, les mecs sont 500 grandeur, là.
Fuck yeah! Look at that ass.
I know it looks. Oh my
He's already wanting to fucking send it, bro. He's gonna fucking send it, bro.
There's no way I can get in there.
Hey, we just bought a case of beer.
Is it? Yeah. Oh!
Woo! That's how you fucking do it. Find a fucking impact and use it till it dies. Oh! Look, that's Matt Hicks.
Pretty flat.
Yeah, she's beat up. Look at that. Yeah, she's cool, but I don't know.
Definitely wouldn't win in a curve competition. Not curvy enough.
That'd make cool skis.
It's like, God.
Flip it over. No, it was like something.
Watch out the camera, ball teeth to show off. Get it. Oh. Keep that
We need a reg, Loki. Ooh.
For tray flip.
Yeah, and if you guys want to shot.
On va mettre tes chucks, là. Vas-tu mettre en dessous?
Woo! What's going on, Corbin?
We're putting lug nuts on.
Yeah.
Malty almost killed me.
Yeah,
What happened?
No.
as you can see, the truck is it's moving. It's chill. Dude, it looks so badass with their solid axle. The fuck? What the fuck?
Should just use it.
Yeah.
Touch ground. You could use some air in the one tire. Hell yeah.
Oh yeah.
Hmm. Okay. On est avec des douchebags dans le. You need some bolts. You know what I'm saying?
What are you using
And
them
this.
for? On the shock there?
Yeah, shock and the. Beautiful fucking day today. Freaking the rig is almost fucking done. It's pretty exciting.
Trying to put Balti's bumper on. And it's like within an 8. Oh, it's just stupid.
Yeah.
Someone welded some plates on this frame.
No, it's factory.
Is it factory?
Yeah.
I don't know why they do that.
Well, that's a fucking fail, eh?
Let's see if it will come off like this. Well done. Well done, dude. Tabarnak. Oh, this. Esti.
Don't like that, eh? Don't you?
Ah. That feels good.
Yeah.
You want to remove this shit and put this on. You need those fucking puller. I can tell you right now, this doesn't work. And even if you custom it, it's fucking crap. This doesn't work, crap. And this, well, we'll see right now. So stay tuned. Can feel the pressure. Celebration.
My mom goes down to the States and gets fabric. So if section back here is good.
We're gonna boom. All right. Ooh, this shit.
Here, I got it.
Oh, the battery's over there. I tried. All right. This should be the last freaking thing. Pink. Oh yeah. There we go. What do you use that shit for? This door is hurting my